In this movie, I want to talk about the viewports with more detail. What I have here is my tune character, and this tune character is found in this section, right? In your auto rigs, here we have our tune character. And this one, we can use it for start working with animation and for a lot of things. In this case, I'm going to use it for showing you how these viewports behave. Right now, I am in my front viewport. That means that I see this object in the flat projection, like I told you before. If I change to my perspective view, you can see that this guy have two arms, all right, two legs, and so on, one head, two eyes. But if I rotate, you can see how I can see all the perspective of this guy in different perspectives from the top and so on, okay, like so. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to change from this perspective to my perspective number, my right perspective. And here you can see that we don't have a perspective at all, all right? We don't see two hands, we only see one leg, one eye, and that is because we have a flat perspective in the right view, okay, from one side of my object. And that is really helpful when we try to animate or we try to model, we're working in model or another thing. So for example, if I want to see the other hand in this view, what I have to do is rotate this hand. And now I can see two different hands. All right, now I know that this guy have two hands or two arms or whatever. But this is an orthographic view, and other orthographic view will be the top view, the front view, and my right view. These are orthographic views. We have more, of course. You go to your bottom viewport, you can see him from the bottom. You can see here his feet and hands, head, body. And you can go and select another one, left. So we are in the other side of our object. But we have another way to change from one viewport to another instead of using this command, go and click and change the different viewport, all right? And that is by using our shortcuts or hotkeys inside Houdini with our keyboard. So what I can do is press the spacebar in my keyboard plus the key number 1. And now I am in perspective view. That way I will be able to see my object in all directions and with perspective. If I change to and press spacebars and number 2, I have the top view. Number 3, with my spacebar, I am in front view. And number 4, I am in the right view. And as I showed you before, we have different viewports, but they don't have a specific key or shortcut, and that is because with this one we can work really well. So we have another one, and this one is called the UV viewport. If I press here, you can see that we have the shortcut with the key number 5 and the spacebar. This one is not for the same purposes. This one allows to create and manipulate our UVs, and we are going to talk about this in a later chapter. These are used for projection for our UVs and for textures, and we're going to talk about this later. So I hope you have an understanding of what are these viewports and why it's really important to work with different viewports inside Houdini and actually in any other 3D package. See you in the next movie.